Hello and welcome to Slam Technologies once again. This is Dr. IT. Today I'm going to show you how you can simply install one of the operating system from the operating system, one of the flavors, and that is Linux operating system. But this particular flavor is called Parrot. Parrot is a new operating system that is out there, and so I'm going to show you, and then I'll show you how you can install it. Now, we are going to put it into our virtual box, and then once you have in your virtual box, you will be able to use just the default login to do everything. So we get that wasting time, let's get started. So you will go to parrotsecurity.org, download the Parrot virtual instance. For in classroom, I'll provide you this instance. You double click and it opens up your virtual box for you. If you do not have a virtual box, you know where to do, download one of those. And if you have VirtualBox, what you do is you double click and then it opens up for you. Once it opens up, you start to import, right? And agree, so you can read the terms and conditions here. I agree to the terms, and it's going to take roughly about 10 minutes or 8 minutes to complete the entire process of importing this into your system. I'll put a pause on here as I'm going to be, resume once it's ready. So you can see that the Parrot is done installing. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and double click on to power it on. And that is all I need you to do. So you will double click this, open it up, and it's going to extract, build the platform as you are waiting for it. That is a very simple installation that you can even think of, but it takes some time. It shouldn't take more than 10 minutes to do. And most of this depends on your machine. So don't hit enter, don't do anything, let it do its own thing, let it run and extract its own thing. And then upon completion, it's going to give you the screen to, and then you'll see everything that comes up. And this is the Parrot operating system that is fully loading. It's almost there and it will be done in a moment. So you just leave it and it will finish its own thing. Once it's done, we have our install complete, right? And so, just keep, watching it and let's see what's going to happen. So voila, it came up with a login, and here the user is Parrot user, right? And so just click the next button here, the arrows on the right side. You can, you don't have to enter anything or do anything. That's all it is, right? You can perform the update or do anything. I'm going to provide you some instructions. I'm going to show you how to use Parrot, right? Don't beat yourself. This is another operating system called Linux. There's a lot of flavors. We have the Red Hat, we have the Ubuntu, we have a whole lot, but I'm showing you one of the most common ones that we use for security, penetration testing, and all of that. I hope this has been informative to you, and I thank you for choosing Slam Technologies.